Fatima. Welcome to Travel Stories of Wonder Girl Adventures. Today's travel story is about Yercaud Hill Station, and I'm gonna share interesting and happy experience to you all. Join with me to explore the beauty of Yercaud. Yercaud is a hill station located in Salem district in Tamil Nadu. It lies at the altitude of 5,326 feet above the sea level. There are totally 19 to 20 hairpin bends to reach the Yercaud Hill Station. Places to visit in Yercaud. Yercaud Lake. There is a boating facility in Yercaud Lake. Kids and Adventure Park, Botanical Garden, most importantly Kiliur Waterfalls, Pagoda Point and Lady Seat. There is a temple which lies in highest peak in Yercaud. Now coming to the climate of Yercaud, winter season starts from September to January, which is covered with complete fog. We can see coffee plantations, apple garden, orange tree, jackfruit, black pepper trees and cardamom estates all over the Yercaud. With regard to public transport, there are a lot of bus facilities operates from Salem district. And now coming to the story, me and my friends were looking for a weekend getaway and a long drive which includes natural, cold climate and finally decided to go for Yercaud trip. We started at 4 am in the early morning to escape the traffic and took 2 pit stops at Chengalpet and Viluppuram. Salem RR Biryani is the first thing we wanted to try once we reached Salem. Unfortunately, we reached early before the lunchtime and we could not find any biryani shop. Meanwhile, we found the beautiful place Mukkaneri Lake in Google Map and decided to chill there for some time. Mukkaneri Lake. This is also known as Kannamkurichi Lake and it is 7 km away from Salem city. Rainfall in Yercaud is filled in this lake and not only that, there are 47 man-made small islands are here, treated by excavating and piling lake bed clay about 10 feet high. Amazing, right? It is located to the south of Shevara Hills and is a major water body of Salem. Mukkaneri Lake is a popular bird sanctuary destination. The floating islands in the lake area with lush growth of trees helps in providing shelter for the birds. After spending time in Mukkaneri Lake, we took photos and bought some snacks and beverages for us and also to feed monkeys on the way to the hilltop. One of my friends is a crazy monkey lover and she wanted to feed the monkeys. You could see lot of small waterfalls in most of the hairpin bends, which is considered to be the beautiful drive in Tamil Nadu. Each waterfalls are so beautiful where you could fall in love with them. Finally, we reached Yercaud, the king of hills. After having our lunch, we headed to our hotel, TGI Star Holiday Resort. Our villa was very close to the hotel, restaurant and car parking, which was very convenient to us. The room was very clean. We had a big hall, spacious bedroom and bathroom, and we had a beautiful balcony view. It was absolutely comfortable for 3 of us. After reaching Yercaud Lake, the boating was almost closed. Only the 8% boat was available for the cost of 500 rupees. Luckily, we found a family who were ready to share with us and the experience of boating was absolutely memorable. memorable boating experience, we went to Altitude Cafe and Restaurant at Grand Palace Hotel to see the highest peak view, but it wasn't clear. We had a very good dinner and enjoyable time under the stars. Next morning, we got up at 5 a.m. early in the morning and wrapped into sari, our first drive to Kilur Falls. Before heading to Kilur Falls, we stopped at Coffee Stop Cafe and took a lot of pictures. Here people were staring at us and we were the center of attraction in the lake. On the way to Kilur Falls, we could find a lot of beautiful waves throughout and we could listen birds chirping and the nature is really beautiful. Most attractive and must visit place in Yercaud is a beautiful waterfall named Kilur Falls, which lies in the Servarayan Hill towards Eastern Ghats, Tamil Nadu. This beautiful Kilur Falls drops from a height of 300 feet and a popular tourist attraction near Salem. It also offers swimming activities. On the way to Pagoda Point, we discovered a beautiful and scenic zigzag road. Immediately I got an idea to take a lot of jump shots and poses in middle of the road. When we were taking the shots, the public were staring at us, but we never cared and we were just busy with our own business taking our jump shots. Pagoda Point, located in the eastern part of the Yercaud Hills, a beautiful viewpoint where one is treated to a panoramic view of the entire town of Salem, as well as the neighboring village of Kakambari. The twists and turns of the 21 hairpin bends of Yercaud can be seen from this spot as they envelop themselves around the hills. The mysterious piles of stones arranged in the form of a pyramid resembling a pagoda give the location its unique name. These stones are believed to be the place here by local tribes. The narrow roads through the green estates make for an amazing driving experience. This viewpoint is very close to the Glenrock Resort, along with ladies, gents, children's seat and Shevaroy Temple cover almost all of the amazing viewpoints from Yercaud. Upon arriving to Pagoda Point, the view was so excellent and later my friends wanted to play some games which were arranged there. Gun shooting, bow and arrow and basketball. After enjoying the games for some time, we headed back to our hotel for checkout. Then we were heading to Skyrocker Diner Restaurant which is in Great Trails Hotel. Before heading to Skyrocker Diner Restaurant, we want to taste fish barbecue which was served in street shops near to the Yercaud Lake. We had a variety of fishes and we were full. After reaching Skyrocker Restaurant, we skipped our lunch there and started enjoying the view. The view was excellent and worth a visit. You can always find a vacation over there in Great Trails. Let me tell few things about Skyrocker Restaurant. A wonderful view from restaurant, especially the glass floor walk leading to the restaurant and the beautiful view where you can see Mettur Dam. You can also find a lot of monkeys roaming around here and there. It was delicious and rated as one of the best places in Yercaud for wonderful food and dining. Finally, we really enjoyed Yercaud girls trip and reached Chennai by 2 o'clock in the night to our respective homes. The trip was very safe and very memorable experience. Thanks for watching my videos. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Keep supporting me. Tata!